When you open After Effects, an error appears saying, Unsupported Video Drivers. Here's how to fix it. Solution number 1. Go to your Windows settings, then click on Update and Security. Click on Check for Updates, and if any updates are available, install them. Once your Windows is fully updated, restart your computer and then open After Effects again. If the error message is gone, that means the issue was caused by an outdated Windows version. But if the error still appears, then move on to the next solution. Solution 2. When the error message appears, it shows my graphic card, Intel RHD Graphics 4600. I click on the Fix option, and it takes me to the official Adobe website, where I can download the Intel Driver Support Assistant. Click to download and install the software. During the installation, accept the agreement and let the setup finish. Once it's installed, click Launch. The software will automatically scan your system and show whether your graphics driver is updated or outdated. If it's outdated, update it directly from there. In my case, the drivers were already up to date. Solution 3. If the error still appears, you can update the driver manually. Go to driverscloud.com and open the website. From here, you can analyze your system and download the latest compatible driver for your graphics card. I downloaded the driver that matched my system. After downloading, open Device Manager on your computer, expand Display Adapters, and right-click on your graphics card. Choose Update Driver. Then click on Let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. Next, click on Have Disk. Locate the folder where you downloaded the driver and complete the installation process. Once the driver is updated, open After Effects again. Now the error message will be gone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.